it's good to be on your CV, isn't it? And good if you ever need to go to another job or anything like that.
It would give me a major boost. It would just be really nice because all the college and my companies put a lot of time and effort into training me up, and it'd be nice to give something back to show all the hard work they've put into me.
It would open me options up. I think people would see it on my CV and think of it straight away and go, oh, he's obviously participated in that, he mustn't be too bad.
Happy to be here competing in it, but definitely would boost your career, help you out.
It's amazing to put on your CV. I mean, as an achievement, just getting this far, I've been told it's such an achievement. It's just great, really. It's especially reassuring.
They'll always be on my CV. You're always going to be the 2019 winner of SPARKS. Yeah, no one can take it away from you.
Put it on your CV, like, it looks good from an employer's point of view.
Be prepared is the key word for entering any competition, really. It's a chance to sort of establish yourself for the future. I think it's a sort of a benchmark to go on your CV. When you're after that ultimate job, an apprenticeship or progressing into the trade, it stands you above any other. So if you're both going for the same job, you've got a SPARKS competition, best of the best sort of your region or finalist on your CV, the chances are you're probably going to get that job ahead of someone else.
The career choice that you've made to go into electrics is a fantastic choice. You should be very proud of all the work that you've done to get to this stage at such an early point in your career. So I think a round of applause just for getting this far, guys. Well done. Thank you also very much to the lecturers who have supported the students, your students, and made them what they are, brought them to the top of their game, tirelessly training and teaching them. So huge thanks to all the work that you've put in behind the scenes.
About investing in great talent at an early age, making them aware of our products and getting them familiar with products that are available in the industry, that are quality, that aren't going to let them down.
From a wholesaler's point of view, next generation are going to be our next generation of customers. We're nothing without our customers.
I think it's really important to connect with people from the start, from a young age. It instills that brand loyalty straight away, and it just gets them using, well, in our opinion, the best product straight away. So it improves the quality of their work from when they start.
I think it's important to inspire young people to get skills that they can take throughout their life.
There's an obligation for manufacturers to invest in our youth, as they are the future, and equip the youth to handle advances in technology and equip them for the future.
This one competitor has actually applied himself not just today but through the regional competition as well.
and today. So it's been like a sort of in the background, we've been looking at an all-round application and the way they've set this up. So the Judges Award goes to Bradley Smith. So then we have the second place Sparks 2019 competitor. The award goes to Chris Davenport of Farnborough College. The moment we've all been waiting for in our quest for the SPARKS Apprentice of the year 2019, and the winner is Ben Kidner from Bridgwater College.
Over the moon. I didn't think I was going to get this far, so it's a real confidence boost for me. Entered this one last year, didn't have so much success, but it was a good year last year as well, and I wasn't as good as I am. I've had a lot of training since, and I've progressed a lot since last year. So Roger puts me up for it. He thinks I'm good enough. Personally, I never used to think I was, but he believed in me, so I went ahead and done it. And I've just seen the progress since I started doing them.
Excited and pleased. We won the first one, and to win the 10th is like a bonus. It is fantastic. And to think that Ben didn't win any of the regional, he was a runner-up, which was even more exciting. I'm so chuffed with him that he's managed to make such a good job. I've got 2 other winners within the company. It is great for them. They have got, you know, such an opportunity. They've got a golden ticket now to go or do whatever they want to do. If they decide to do their own thing or whatever, you know, it's the confidence that they get out of these competitions. It's not just winning the competition. It makes such a difference to their confidence. Yeah, it is brilliant.
When I first started, I was a bit under the pressure. Was slightly rushing it, but I just needed to take a step back, calm down, and then get back to it. But after that, I cleared my head. It was all right, to be honest. So definitely take it up. It's a big confidence booster, and I've seen the results. I wasn't very good, and I've seen the improvement since day one.